I'm going to show you a quick alternative to blow drying your hair from soaking wet. We've got Robin here and she's let her colour treated hair naturally air dry. I'm going to use the 1 minute transformation cream on dry hair. You take a little bit of the cream, you run it through your hands, then you run it through the hair, and then simply take a flat brush and brush it through. Immediately, you can start to see the shine, the reflection coming on the hair, and you can see it before when it was parched and puffy. Now, if you want to get a little bit more of a salon finish on the hair, it's very easy. You just take a real bristle brush, roll it around the hair, and just hit it. With your hairdryer, just for a few seconds, and then release it. And you can see the shine, the reflection, the bounce, and where it was before, parched, puffy texture. Now that is 1 minute to amazing.